Today I am going to be shaving, and I'm going to be shaving with a few things, which is quite exciting. I'm going to be shaving with my cutthroat razor, which my wife got me, which I'm particularly pleased with. Now, using one of these is scary and there's a risk of imminent death, but so far I've survived for a week with generally not that much scarring or blood. So that's the thing I'm going to be shaving with. I don't know what it's called. It came with a pack of other things, like a package. One of them was Leponix, and came with some pre-shaving stuff and some aftershave balm. In fact, I cannot pre-shaving stuff. Now I'll be using this for a week and I think it's good. It's good. So I've wet my face. I haven't had a shower. I'm very sorry. But I've definitely wet my face. And now for the oil. Wherever it is. Here we go. Dropped it in the sink. This is the oil. So put 5 on. Get it in. It's really good because it makes it glide over the skin. Face. Okay, so now, since I got the razor, I've got a few things just to invest in the shave, and I think as a gentleman, having a shave is a good thing. You're investing time into yourself, and you know, why not? So I'm going to be using this soap called Vanille Tabac, which you got is about £10, and there's a load of stuff in there, and I would have just put the brush in there, but apparently I'm going to put it in the bowl, which is the bowl, put it in there. For those who are not using these things before, this is not the most instructional video, and I've got this brush from my stepdaughter called from Shave Factory. Bristles. So far it's alright. I mean, no, that you can pay £200 for a brush. Now, in my opinion, that's a little bit pricey, unless you're a millionaire. And if you're a millionaire, you may as well just get someone else to shave you. You don't have to worry about anything then. So I'm going to shave. Look at that. Keep doing that for a while. Bit of water in there just to make it froth. I'm going to do one pass today. One pass over the skin. If I survive, I'm going to have myself a beer downstairs. Didn't look like you can't see anything there. Let's froth it up a bit more. It's my first video doing shaving. It always froths every single time, apart from today. It's just because I'm talking to you. Terrible. Put some more in there. So let's get this all into a roller. A little bit better. This is really good because it's not particularly visible. It's browny, but it's really thick and slippy, so that makes it a lot easier to shave. Plus I've got the oil on, so terrible. Anyway, that'll have to do. Also, my companions in crime are Osage Rub. Osage Rub. This is recommended by a chap called Sinatra Lennon, who's on YouTube, and this is literally a slap in the face after you've had a good shave and a wake-up call from a liquid. It's like, psh, get on with your day and have a good day. That's what it's like. So here we go. This is where I'll go, and the mirror's over there. So, it's like that song by Cliff Richard, At a Distance. I think Bette Miller did it as well. Just a trial. It's going well so far. Oh no. Actually, I can use this. Okay. I found this a lot easier than I thought it would be. And you hold it in a kind of certain way. There's loads and loads of YouTube videos. I don't know. One thing you can't do is think of many other things whilst you're doing it, because you could lop your face off quite easily. Yeah. So I think that'll do. This is a very quick one, just to have a go. Just to have a go. So now I'm going to rinse it off with cold water. Oh, that is cold. Oh. Okay, now this is the fun bit. Dry the face. Dry the face. Then the Osage Rub. Now it's all worth it for this. Good handful. Don't get it near your eyes. Good morning. There you go. I've had a shave. I hope it was interesting for you. I really recommend Osage Rub. It's very good. Just think, if your mornings are a bit sluggish and you just need to be kicked out of bed, that's the stuff that will do it after you've had a shave. The green giant of morning wake up routines. Thank you very much. Goodbye.